Go ahead and take that air hose all the way back there in the back. All right, just showing y'all, man, we got the car jacked up. Whoa, 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 son. Turn the black part with your finger. Tap it. All right, there you go. All right, now get the next one out. Yeah, kick it like that. Boom. Like that. There you go, son. There you go. Whoa.
They say if you raise a child in the way which he should go, whenever he gets older, he won't depart from it. My granddaddy worked on cars. My daddy worked on cars. Me and my brother work on cars. We all have gifts and talents that we blessed with. The question is, what is your gift? Today, YouTube, I want to share with y'all how my 9-year-old son is working on cars too. But before we do that, I want to ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do an LS swap in an old school car that run like this? I'm satisfied, YouTube, YouTube. '72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Looking at maybe almost 600 horsepower. Get our own wiring. And we show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS swap, baby. Got both donks in the garage now, man. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Let Chevy's R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it, YouTube.
All right, YouTube. Go ahead and take that air hose all the way back there in the back. All right, just showing y'all, man, we got the car jacked up in the back. We got it on jack stands in the back. Y'all see it. Got that side jacked up. And then we also got this side jacked up too, y'all. It got a jack stand under it. But I got the jack on this end is anyway. And just to let y'all know, we got the front of the car chopped. We got some bricks in the front of the front wheels. That way it don't roll forward. But what we finna do now, we got the transmission jack right here. We just gonna roll this transmission jack underneath the car. We're gonna get it under the gas tank and get it jacked up. And we'll be right back with y'all in a minute, YouTube. All right, YouTube, just taking this towel to make it a little easier for us. Whoa, 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 son. Put it all the way on there first. Turn it with your hand, with your finger first.
Wait, like this?
No, turn the black part with your finger. Make sure it's all the way on there. It's all the way on there? Mm-hmm. All right, now tap it. Go ahead, keep tapping. All right, there you go. All right, now get the next one. Get it all the way on there. Turn it with your hand there you go. Turn it with your hand, son. No, with your fingers. Turn the black part with your fingers. Don't press the button, though. There you go. Hold it firm with both hands, because it'll twist your wrist. Hold it firm. There you go. Now look, this is what I want you to do. Bag up, move your tools and stuff out the way. Move the bolts out the way. And now what you do, man, is use your feet. Sit on your butt. And there you go, and use your, there you go. See if you can slide your feet all the way on the hill. Straighten them out like that right there. There you go. You can lift up like that with your feet. Lift the tire up like that with your feet. And no, use your hands to pull it and lift it at the same time. They ain't coming off?
No.
All right. All right, just get back. Take your foot. Just kick the bottom of it. Kick the bottom. Now sit on your butt and do it like this. Like that with your heel. No, with your heel. Back. Like this, son. Like that. Right there. Like that. Just kick it. Like that. Get back. Move your finger. Yeah, kick it. Like that. Boom. Like that. There you go, son. There you go. Whoa. There you go, son. now roll that tire out the way, son. There you go. Pick it up. There you go. Let me help you.
No, I need help.
Just roll it over there against that table on the wall over there. Lean it. Yeah, just lean it over there. Just lean it right there. That's fine, son. Hey, man, I'm proud of you, son. You took your first tire, son. Hey, y'all see it, YouTube. Major took his first tire. All right, YouTube, back to this gas tank. Yeah, man, I think we're going to probably have to end up replacing that gas tank, YouTube. Man, that thing got a lot of rust on it. We'll assess it once we get it out the car. So let's do that, and we'll be back in a minute, YouTube. Drop them two 15-millimeter mountain bolts for that tank. This specific video that we looking at now, we actually getting ready to take the gas tank out to repair some holes in the gas tank. I got the 75 right here. Since then, we turned it around because we got the gas tank working. We fixed and repaired the holes in the gas tank. And we got this car back running. This car hadn't run in 28 years. So if y'all haven't checked that out, man, hey, click on that link in the top right corner if you want to find out everything we had to do to get this car back running after 28 years, man. This sucker run like a sewing machine. Matter of fact, let me crank it up for y'all real quick, YouTube. All right, check this out, YouTube. I'm just going to hit the gas about 1 or 2 times. See here. All right. Now let's see what it won't do. All right, YouTube. Watch this, man. I'm finna crank it up. Finna stick my hand in there and crank it up. And watch how quick this thing crank up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see that? Y'all hear that? Run like a sewing machine. Watch this. Yeah, the 75 convertible Caprice crunk up quick, man. And then also we got right here, we got the 72 convertible Impala. Got the LS3 swap in it. We recently completed the LS3 swap. It runs like a scalding dog. I cranked that up for y'all too, man. Let me crank that up for y'all. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Check it out. There you go. Got this bad boy back running. So next with this 75, we're gonna be looking at doing the front passenger fender and the hood. And we also got floor pans to replace
in this car. So, you know, once we do all that, you know, hey, she'll be ready for the road for real. And then also on the 72, the next thing we gonna be doing, we got a rear end out of a 96 Impala. SS, it's a positive traction, lower gear. We're gonna be putting that guy in the 72 Impala. And then we're gonna start preparing the body work, man. It really don't need a whole lot of body work, but it needs a small amount of body work because we're gonna be rapping. We're gonna probably be rapping, doing a rap on this 72 convertible. So y'all keep that in mind, YouTube. So, man, if you interested in learning how to do this LS swap, man, look here. You come to the right place, man. You know, make sure you click that subscribe button, man. Stay tuned in. Stay dialed in with the Chevy's R Us family because your LS swap and your old school car is just as important as mine or as anybody else's. You working on an LS swap. You planning an LS swap. You got questions and answers. You need directions. Tune in for Go Live Wednesdays. You know what I'm saying? At 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You got a whole community of people to support you in your LS swap and your old school car, YouTube. So we stick together. It's a family thing, man. Chevy's R Us. YouTube.